Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video, this time in the beautiful Val d'Orcia in Tuscany. I arrived in Tuscany in the afternoon, and one of the things I most love doing in the area is exploring the countryside back roads around Pienza on a bike, stopping here and there for these idyllic views of the hills, the vineyards, the cypress trees, and Pienza. After a couple of hours cycling around the countryside, and as the sun started sinking low behind the hills, we checked into one of my favorite places to stay near Pienza, the Podere L'Olmo. This is a small Agriturismo hotel, just 10 minutes away from Pienza, with only half a dozen rooms, but surrounded by nothing but hills and beautiful views. As the late afternoon light was just perfect, the first thing we did, even before going up to our bedroom, was to contemplate this amazing scenery over a glass of wine.
Giornata soleggiata, gli occhi d'una figlia appena nata, come il cielo pieno di stelle, penso a tante cose belle. Le ore più felici passate quando sei bambino a Natale
If the outside areas are surrounded by the utterly beautiful landscape of Valdorcia, the inside common areas, as well as the bedrooms, are very welcoming and tastefully decorated, creating a very homey environment with a mix of traditional Tuscan elements with others from Sicily, where the owners are from, and some more modern pieces.
Horizon, the colors of the trees of late September, the glistening snow of morning in December, like the sunbeams after rain has fallen.
We stayed in one of the very spacious suites located upstairs in the main building, which had 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a common living area, making it perfect for a small family or 2 couple of friends.
That fill you with emotion. Così bella, that's how beautiful you are.
Whether you stay in one of the main building suites or in the garden suites, one thing you'll be sure to have is amazing views of the green hills of Valdorcia. After getting ourselves settled in and comfortable, night started falling over the landscape. Ahead of dinner time, we sat and relaxed for a while in the cozy living room, with the fire crackling in the fireplace, while I got inspiration from one of the many coffee table books with the dreamy landscapes of Tuscany. In this first night of our stay, we decided to have dinner right at L'Olmo since we were a bit tired from all the traveling. The dining area is not very large, but it is beautifully decorated with fresco paintings on the walls, a soft decoration and lights, making it feel very welcoming and familiar. We had a simple but very tasty traditional Italian meal, making it the perfect ending to our day, arriving in this beautiful area of Tuscany. We had hoped for a beautiful springtime in Tuscany, but this time of the year the weather can be quite erratic. The day dawned grey and dull, but it could not take away any of the beauty of the landscape, so I went for an hour of pure slow morning relaxation in the heated pool, taking in all the amazing views. After getting changed and ready for the day, we went down for breakfast with views to the lush and flowery garden outside before heading out to explore a small town right around the corner.
Why did you go? Where is the touch? Where is the heart? Where is the love? Porque mi amor, Why did you close your heart for me? Where is the hope? Where is the touch? Where is it?
Sadly, the day was not showing any signs of getting brighter, but we still went out to explore the small town of Monticchiello with views to Pienza in the distance. Monticchiello is a typical medieval Tuscan hilltop village with limestone buildings built tight together, beautiful alleyways and many flowery corners, making it a charm to explore if you are spending a couple of days in and around Pienza, even in a dull day like this.
My light, you're shining so bright. Here we are in the world all alone. It's getting late, but I will wait. I will always wait for you.
Thank you for coming with me exploring a little bit of Orcia. If you have watched this far, I would love to get your subscription to my channel and stay tuned for more videos every week of my spring travels around Italy.